For the past 5 years, I started doing TikTok and I took it very seriously. So at first, I was doing everything and no views. It's always stuck at 0 views or around 200, and then it stops getting any views after that. So in this tutorial, I will show you exactly step by step on how you can fix this problem. So first, make sure you warm up your account. So the first time you create an account on TikTok, don't just go and start uploading videos. You have to go and comment on other people's videos, like engage with these videos and try to like the videos, repost. Do this for a few hours before posting any video on your TikTok. Okay, this is very, very important because TikTok is trying to filter like scammers, robots. There are a lot of people that take advantage of this platform. So what you need to do is you want to make sure that your account is a little bit old. Okay, it's not very, very new. Like for example, if you just created an account yesterday and you are trying to grow it today like to 200 views to 200,000 views, it's not going to be possible. Okay, because TikTok, like I said, like pushes your videos step by the moment you start to upload, it reads the data of your videos. It recognizes exactly what you are posting, what your content is, and then they push these videos to the right people that will be interested in these videos you are posting on TikTok. Also, one mistake I see a lot of people make, and I made it myself when first starting TikTok, I was posting other people's videos. There is a code in the video. It's easily being recognized by TikTok algorithms to stop it from getting views, especially if it's AI or it's someone else's video. Okay, so another thing that helped me very, very a lot is actually editing the videos inside the TikTok app, not going to third party, record the video and then take it to software and then edit it and then upload it to TikTok. I found that when you edit the video inside the TikTok, just a normal video, if that makes sense, really, really helps with getting views on your TikTok. Here is one tip that really blew up my account, and I will show it to you right now in just a few seconds. TikTok has a strict algorithm, and I will explain to you every single thing, like I said, on how you can break this and take this as your advantage to grow your TikTok. Now, when you make a 15 seconds video, okay, and you posted it on TikTok, now when you check the analytics, you find that most people didn't watch the video till the end. So this means try to say something interesting at the beginning of the video. Okay, this will help you a lot. I'm talking about getting millions of views, just like me. As you can see, this one got 1.2 million views. This one has 3 million views. I have many videos with like a lot of views, as you can see here. So what I want you to understand very well is TikTok cares about watch time or view duration. So the more you can keep people watching your video, the longer or the more they push the video on the For You page. Now, I will explain to you what I mean. So when you make a 15 seconds video, try to say something interesting at the beginning so that people will be curious and watch the video till the end. So the moment 100 people watch the video till the end, TikTok will push that video to millions of people. That's just from my experience. Take this very seriously, especially the last step, like I said, and also don't try to upload other people's videos. You will never get views because TikTok stops these videos from getting views. Okay, the algorithm stops these videos. So what I want you to do is create videos and make sure you say something interesting at the beginning, or try to be very, very talkative, talk very fast, because people attention span is very, very low in this age we are living right now. So try to be very fast, talk fast, and don't try to be boring. Just try to talk quickly and try to give information right away so that people will be able, like, don't give information the first 2 seconds. Try to keep them till the end so that they watch the video till the end. Okay, if you have any questions, anything, let me know in the comments. Okay, just go to the comments below and tell me exactly what's your problem, what videos you're uploading, and I will try to reply to you. Hopefully this tutorial helped you. Please drop a like and see you in the next tutorial, and thank you for watching.